we got the Taekwondo meter by meter tiles here, and we're installing them. Really looking good. You put the one with the, you find the one that has the arrow, and you put it consistently in the left, and we're gonna make our stage into a nice play area. Okay, we're in the middle here. It's looking good. We're gonna get blue in the middle, red edge, and they're reversible, these tiles, in case I ever want to switch the pattern. So here we are. We did it. Looks beautiful. Beautiful stage. You really upgraded everything. Perfect fit. Thank you, Greatmats.